intelligence is directly linked with the human being from child until as we grow. Our memory used to increase, our decision making used to increase. We used to start predicting things, and even we did not experience anything in the past. Still, we used to take decisions based on the different scenarios. Even we are facing that scenario for the first time, we used to have we used to take the decisions, or we used to do the predictions based on by linking those things. That is all about intelligence. Now if we will talk about the artificial intelligence is a term that is being used for the computers to make them intelligence the way human beings are. We try to make the computers also be acting or be working in the same way. Now the question is, are we going to achieve this goal, or are we able to already achieve this goal? The answer is no. So far we are not able to achieve this goal. We are trying. So far we are adding more and more features, and more intelligence in the computing machines, as well as different things in real life to make them more user friendly, make them more to increase the work productivity and other things. Now the next question is how we are making it possible. So we are adopting the same scenario as we have for the human beings. The way human beings used to learn, the way human being used to store the information in their brain, and the way human being used to increase their knowledge and increase their decision making power. The same scenario or the same methods we are applying for the computing machines, and we are bringing up new and new algorithms for the artificial intelligence, which are increasing the intelligence power of the computing machines. So at what stage we are right now, if we will talk, we can take different decisions by using the computing machines, and sometimes those decisions are even more accurate than the human being. So for example, if we will talk about the number plate detection in Saudi Arabia, for example, right now when we just on the roads, whenever we used to have over speeding, we used to have the camera flash, and we used to the photo used to be taken, and then it has been stored or sent to the Saudi government central system. And over there, are they doing the recognition of the number plate of the vehicle by artificial system or AI based system or not? As per my knowledge, I think they are not doing this part. But if we will talk about getting the speed of the car, or estimating the speed, as taking the photo, and how much distance it need to be taken, and these sort of things, initial part is being done by the automated system, but recognition, I think it is not being done by automated system. But a lot of work has been done in this field, and in other countries, or some of the countries, they already applied the artificial intelligence to detect the number plate by its own. And might be you have heard the news that in Saudi Arabia, they are going to have new number plate. In this week they announced. So what is the purpose to have the new number plate? Again, like whatever the issues they are facing in automated detection of the vehicle number plate, they are trying to overcome those issues, and this is the reason they come up with the new design of the number plate, where they put the Arabic numerical values in one side, right side, I think, and the characters on the left side, and in the middle they put some space. Why they are adding? As because I worked some of the number plate systems in Saudi Arabia, even for applying the machine learning, we were facing the issue that to separate out the digits and numerical values and these things by the machine learning algorithms. So this is one reason to have the new number plates for the Saudi vehicles. And there are some, of course, there are some other reasons also, but one of the reasons is this one also. You can check that. Some of you already have seen. Yeah, and this is the old one, but if you see, this is the old style, right? But if you see over here, they are coming up. Last day I was seeing the news, um, last week. Yeah, this one. This is something they are trying to bring up. So they are making some changes in the number plate. So this is just one example, like how the things are improving with the time. Some of the things are being changed by using the artificial intelligence and the algorithms, and some of the things they are physically making changes to let them adopt the artificial intelligence algorithms for recognition or for decision making.